chombero. Tubanza twigine tutayaye. Isha mwantoremwe.
Welcome back lo next tutorial blo Milo Photoshop CS5. Yes, by the way, Mino bin tali mo so Mr. Yusum Photoshop CS5. CS6 you come out finish. Suppose you kasep bisa Yusum some role principle we Mr. Yusum lo lanema. How bli Yusum Photoshop CS5 by still saya apply nulo. So just have one sound is the one rumbling sound behind. Please excuse us if I figure out how to make a microphone sound clear, but then that rumbling sound may stop. So that will be sorted out eventually. Anyhow, so we Mr. Workload tools. We stop learning about them tools. We only stop. We Mr. Yusuf inside lo Photoshop. Today, let's go back in. Let me go back and create one new blank document inside lo Photoshop. Computer maybe a bit slow today. Just wait for it to load the cam display, and then by me look lo just one tool mo today me lasso tool. Lasso tool ham plan by sema ko sem marquee tool. Saya Yusum blo make selection, you click them all options blam and up to the sama. Behma any more refined. Yusum lasso tool be following one shape where so you got one shape we want them trace them out. Yusum lasso tool blo you have trace them out. So you hold them, you click, you hold them, you look more. Is creating one custom shape. So for instance, you want to make one selection around low head to one man, or you want to make one selection around low one dog or something. So once you make one selection, you say move one. So you become a move tool when we stop on top. So yes. You got the lasso tool, and then you got all frame blend to stop all frame the lasso tool. You got polygonal tool. We try use it. You say maybe free to be all straight line. But lasso tool, you go straight on that. Polygonal, you say triangle polygon. So using the move tool, can create another. So creating one more narafala shape. Look at one is right. Okay, then you got the magnetic lasso tool. The magnetic lasso tool, you look. Ista pulungan himsa full shape ko ista. Yung ano mo use just putumul angka points bla Look at angka points and when you move no around the object hem by detect them on place lo angara no one. So let's trace this shape where you mean create them with them lasso tool. Let's just move slowly around it. Sometimes suppose you know picking up one angka point hurry up, you want them swing around the corner, you click. Just click and create the anchor points. Anything will anchor points out so that you have around them. Put shapes. We go custom back. We go back custom place where we start. So make one selection. Put them lasso tool or polygonal tool or magnetic polygonal tool. You need the place we start then you go around go come back the place we start then make one full complete selection back. So me lasso tool so you use you create let's say you use lasso tool, you create one custom shape. Ale, you go karem ema bagan. You come, you round him, you go, come one more big fella shape, and then you go karem square. You come, you cut them off. You add them one. Yes, sort of maybe use them a lot. And cut them off one time. Let's just undo some. You karem rectangle. You come, you add them second one. You do that to oh, you have a sort of shape. Then karem move tool, you just move out. What is that? I don't know. It looks like something. So spend some time, take some time to use some move tool, marquee tool, with lasso, polygonal, with the magnetic tool. Create them all shapes. Just create them all shapes. Lo default canvas view. Yes, area. In a white area, we call them canvas. You walk under the place now. The whole space where you wish to look where for it. This is the workspace. This is the workspace. Small white area, me canvas view. So use them this three tools. Use them this three tools. Yeah. Lo create them some. You can create some shapes. Lo Photoshop. Just to get the hang of using it. So it looks a magnetic lasso tool, one great tool, especially suppose you start trying to trace him out one outline where you got like strong contrast lemma. Background and completely different, foreground and different. Magnetic lasso tool you just move around shape way stuff. So thank you too much for listening in this tutorial. By me look you back again the next tutorial by me go by me walk with them by me look the quick selection tool with the magic one too. Thank you too much and see you next tutorial.